Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix microphone problems, then watch this video. The first thing we always need to check if you have a microphone issue or a problem is to see whether permissions have been granted to the microphone. So right click on the start button, go to settings, privacy and security, and then we'll scroll down for microphone. Click on this and we need to make sure that microphone access is switched on. And for example, if I'm using microphone with Skype, then I need to switch on this permission for Skype and only then will it work. Now if that is already on and you're still facing problems, then we need to make sure that the microphone mute button is not in the enabled position. So check on your microphone if there's a mute button. If there is one, then you need to make sure that that button is not enabled. So click it once and check your microphone. If it works, great. And also on your headset, if you're using a headset microphone, then check on the headset physically. If there's a mute button, just unmute it. Now we need to also check the connection of the microphone. If you're connecting it via USB port, just disconnect the USB and then plug it in again. If you're using a dongle, then disconnect the dongle and plug it in again. The next thing we can do is update the Windows update. Run the Windows update. So we can go to settings and then Windows update and we can check for updates. While that is going on, after that finishes, click on advanced options, optional updates, and then install any driver updates that are available. And then finally we will run the audio troubleshooter if we are still facing microphone issues, and this should fix it completely. Right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then click on the run audio troubleshooter. Click on run and it should troubleshoot and fix any issues for you. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.